In a world racing towards the future, what anchors us to who we are? Rishihood University believes that education must prepare you for not just a career, but for life. And that belief comes alive in Soul Trek. Each year, hundreds of first-year students step out of the classroom and into a journey that is as old as our civilization itself. For 4 days in Haridwar, on the banks of Ganga, Soul Trek becomes a living classroom where knowledge, culture, and inner discovery flow together.
I spoke to my seniors about the Soul Trek, and honestly, it scared me. They said there would be no ACs, no hot water, and we have to wake up at 5 AM every day. I don't know how I'm going to survive these 4 days.
Students immerse themselves in meditation, life management sessions, service in community kitchens.
We were told we had to wash our own dishes, and to be honest, first of all, we were all like, oh my god, we are not going to do this. But then later when we actually did it, we just realized that it's not that bad. We were just being a little dramatic about it. Something that we learned out of this, and that's the best part.
And the enriching experience of the Ganga Aarti. They learn humility by serving others, discipline by living simply, and courage by reflecting deeply.
Soul Trek is not just a journey to Haridwar, it is a journey within. The activities that we have chosen as part of Soul Trek help our students enhance their awareness, build an understanding about their civilization, help them understand the global grand challenges that we face. Beyond classroom learning, Soul Trek sows the seeds of problem solving in our learners and helps young learners discover their role as leaders.
As the trek went on, something changed. The strict schedule, it didn't bother me anymore. I woke up early in the morning before sunrise, that too without complaining.
The whole vibration of this place just makes me feel more exuberant to explore it more. It just makes me feel at peace. It really wants me to know that how we can be in a peaceful environment out of all our daily lives that we follow.
The Soul Trek is beautiful, but organizing an event of this scale is not easy. Behind the scenes, Soul Trek takes extraordinary effort, moving 900 students, arranging meals, managing ceremonies, and ensuring every student's safety takes passion, planning, and persistence.
Well, there was a lot of chaos, a lot of last-minute changes, a lot of expectation management. Every single detail mattered. We had to ensure that the buses arrived on time, the learners were having their meals, what was the schedule of the day, if there were any changes in the schedule. It was certainly very exhausting. However, just knowing the fact that we were creating a life-altering experience for the learners just kept it going and made it all worth it.
Through dialogue, reflection, and shared living, Soul Trek weaves together 3 timeless qualities. Jigyasa, the curiosity to learn. Chikisha, the courage to act. Ananda, the joy of being. This is education that goes beyond mark sheets and placements. This is education that shapes character.
We understand higher education primarily as a training of your intellect, but life is much larger than that. It is also a training of your heart, your character, and your emotions. And Soul Trek is meant to achieve exactly that.
When our students return from Soul Trek, they bring back core memories and return with clarity, confidence, and conviction. They also return with a sense of belonging to civilization, to purpose, and to themselves.
And what I loved about here was that we had a bhajan sandhya, जिसमें सबने बहुत अच्छे से गाना गाया, सबने भजन गाए. So now the whole trek is ending, and I just feel like I'm taking a lot with me. I started as a skeptic, but came out as a changed person. What surprised me the most was how connected I felt with my classmates, my seniors, and even the strangers I met. We weren't just learning in isolation, we were meditating side by side, living together and giving back to the society in small ways. I feel more rooted in impact, and I would like more people to experience this.